In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply a credit note in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a credit, link it to the correct invoice, and either save it as a draft or approve it so it updates your accounts. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which shows an overview of your business. From here, we're going to move into the area where your sales and customer invoices are managed. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu, find and click on the option labeled Sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Clicking Sales will open a list of related options. Next, within the Sales section, click on Invoices. This will bring up your Invoices screen where you'll see a list of all your invoices, including draft, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. If you have filters or tabs at the top, you can use those to quickly find the invoice you want to apply a credit note to. But for now, just locate the relevant invoice in the list. Once you've found the correct invoice, click on it to open it. This will take you into the detailed view of that invoice where you can see the customer name, date, line items, and the total amount. Make sure you've opened the right invoice because the credit note you're about to create will be directly connected to this one. With the invoice open, look towards the top right-hand corner of the page. You should see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This menu holds additional actions that you can take on the invoice, including creating and applying credits. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Create and Apply Credit. This tells Xero you want to create a credit note that will be linked to this specific invoice. Xero will then open a new credit note screen, usually pre-filled with some information from the invoice, like the customer details and possibly some of the line items. Now you can edit the credit note. This is where you specify what exactly you're crediting. You can change the description, quantities, and amounts so the credit accurately reflects what you're adjusting, whether it's a returned product, a discount, or a correction. Take a moment to check the date, the account codes, and tax settings to make sure they're all correct. The more precise you are here, the cleaner your reporting will be later. When you're happy with the details, you have 2 choices at the bottom of the screen. You can click Save to keep the credit note as a draft if you're not ready to finalize it yet, or you can click Approve to complete the process. Approving the credit note will apply it to the invoice and update the balance owed. Choose the option that matches where you are in your workflow, and you're done.